What is going on, guys? My name is Zachary Wallace. Welcome back to the channel. And today, I hope you packed plenty of water, and I hope you packed very comfortable clothes, because today we are going on a nature walk slash a hike. Right now I'm currently driving, but yeah, today we are going on a hike. There's a place that I go to all the time, right off of Highway 60. Right above the Hiwassee River. So yeah, like I said, I hope you guys packed very comfortable. I hope you have plenty of water, because today it is currently 76 degrees, so it is fairly warm today. But yeah, that's what we got planned. While I am driving, of course, if you guys are new to the channel, I appreciate you stopping by. Hopefully you consider hitting the subscribe button, turning on your post notifications to become a part of the Zachaholic Nation. We are the fastest growing family on YouTube, and we are 39 away from 200. Remember, whenever I reach 200 subscribers, I will be dropping something big for you guys. I know you're still wondering what it is, but you'll just have to wait and see. So remember, tell your friends, tell your family, your neighbors, your dogs, your cats, your aunts, your uncles, your guinea pigs, your horses. Tell everyone you know to go and subscribe, and I will be dropping something huge for you guys. And I do have a strict rule to not vlog while I drive, so I will see you guys whenever we get to the area. I will see you guys here in a minute. Hi guys, so I have just arrived. I was hoping that the gates would be open, but they're not open right now, so we're gonna take the long route with this hike. So again, I hope you guys remember to pack your water bottles, because this is gonna be a very, very interesting hike. So yeah, I guess we could go ahead and turn the car off now. Yeah, as you can see, it's a very historic area. And I don't want you guys making fun of me while I heavy breathe on the way back up here. So enjoy the view in time-lapse form. Welcome to my island. Not really exactly my island, but it's definitely one of the places that I enjoy going. I discovered this place back in 2016, and whenever I'm stressed out or anything, or if I'm having a bad day, or like just because, I like to come up here. Best place to come to just like clear my mind. But again, I hope you guys remember to pack your waters, because that was not an easy trip. One thing that I also enjoy doing while I'm up here, sometimes I do go through the woods, and sometimes I take that long loop that you just seen. There's a woods. I don't know if you can see it pretty well behind me, but woods are right behind me. Yeah, a lot of times what I like to do is I like to come out here. This right here has become one of my favorite places to just sit. As you can see, pretty high up. But yeah, I just like to sit on this rock and think. I wish that this place was open at nighttime so I could show you what it looks like at nighttime, because over there where all those buildings and stuff are, at nighttime it is completely lit up, and it's one of the most beautiful sights I've ever seen. But in the daytime, obviously you don't get the many lights, but it is beautiful to look at. Add the water to it. This is my kingdom, my island, and it's where I like to go the most. Not so much going on right now, so I guess we could just sit here and watch some boats take off, swim by, however that works. But yeah, that's pretty much it. By the way, if you guys have any future video ideas, comment down below, because I really would like to get back into making videos. I really would like to get back into doing this. I have a big surprise for you guys at the end of the month. It's going to be pretty cool. I almost got attacked by a bee. But yeah, I got a huge surprise for you guys at the end of the month. So remember to stay tuned. It's currently... I'm still recovering from that walk. I'm not as young as I used to be. Not as young. But I don't know what else to say. Guys, I'm going to, for the next few minutes, I'm just going to point the camera at the water. So I hope you guys enjoy. going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm probably about to go get something to eat, and then I honestly don't know what I'm going to do with the rest of my day. I honestly don't know. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys have any future video ideas, or if you guys want to see a part 2 to anything. Remember to subscribe, turn on your post notifications. We are so close to 200 subscribers. Let's keep that success rolling. We don't have any shout outs for the week. But remember, if you want to receive a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe, like the video, and then comment down below done. The first 5 people to do so will receive a shout out in the very next video. And that's going to do it for this one. I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys. Hey guys, so I'm back just for a split second because I wanted to take a minute to show you guys the historic part of this area. I didn't get to show you much of it. Bless me. Feel free to pause it if you want to read any of this that I'm showing you. If I'm going too fast, feel free to pause it. It's actually quite tragic having the Native Americans, the Indians, removed from their homes. It's actually very tragic. One of these days I would like to go into this building right here. It's been up for a little bit, and I would really love to see it. Really love to see the outside. I'm not exactly sure what this is, but I noticed these names like a long time ago. I never exactly knew what they were for. If anybody knows, feel free to tell me. But yeah, I just wanted to take a second to show you guys that. And again, I'm going to end the video, but I hope you guys have a great rest of the day, great rest of the week. I love you guys, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.